guys, it's Chef Doreen again. All right, I've got another super easy recipe for you guys. I don't even feel like I should call it a recipe because it's so easy. I actually got pork chops and this is the easiest thing. Okay, seriously, I just mixed up my kalbi sauce in the jar, of course. And I already have my pork chops inside the Ziploc bag and I just pour it in. And I just make sure that all the pork chops are covered and remove all the air. This is just like seriously the easiest thing. And as long as your Ziploc bag works, then you're good to go. All right, let this sit overnight, okay? I make sure I massage it in. Make sure you get all the air out though. And then I let it sit in a sheet pan overnight and make sure you flip it at one point. And I already have some ready right here for you guys. It's been sitting all night, so let's go out to the grill. All right, just finished grilling them to my dentist, so obviously you're gonna do it however you want to, but you guys saw this was so easy. I didn't add anything else. It was just the kalbi sauce. That's it, all right? I also am going to share this. You know what, a lot of times I don't like to have like one whole big piece of meat, so you can cut it up, share it with friends. This is the best way to do it, family style. All right guys, I've already let the meat rest for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna just cut it up and we'll have that all ready for everybody. We'll set it on a plate. And since this is family style, it's kind of nice when you already cut everything up for everybody, okay? So I'm just gonna set 2 of these on here right now. And for me, I like to add a little bit of extra something on it. I've actually made this wonderful scallion oil, which is so delicious. And you're just gonna put it on top, and it just makes for a really beautiful dish too. And for just a little bit of extra like tartness, I love pickled onions. And this is just a quick pickled onion. You can just add it on top, and it also adds beautiful color. But however you guys wanna do it at home, please make sure you just add whatever you want, but this is just a really simple, easy dish that you guys can do. And again, you just have to pour this inside your Ziploc bag and you're ready to go.